Visit Tuscany.com. Pappa al Pomodoro, traditional Tuscan recipes. Cut 4 thick slices of stale Tuscan bread into pieces and soak for 10 minutes in a bowl full of water. Place extra virgin olive oil in a pot. Add 2 cloves of garlic, dried chili pepper and peeled canned tomatoes. Stir the sauce with a wooden spoon. Squeeze the bread and crumble it into the tomato sauce. Stir. Add water. Add a pinch of salt. Stir and cook over a low heat for 10 minutes. Add some basil leaves and some more extra virgin olive oil. Serve in a bowl. Pappa al Pomodoro. Ingredients: 800 grams of peeled canned tomatoes, crushed, 2 cloves of garlic, dried chili pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil, 4 thick slices of stale Tuscan bread, 1 cup of hot water, about 20 basil leaves, salt. Method: soak the bread in cold water for about 10 minutes. Cover the bottom of a pot with extra virgin olive oil, add the garlic and dried chili pepper to taste. Add the crushed peeled tomatoes. Cook on low heat until the tomatoes begin to soften and come apart. Squeeze the bread between your hands to remove all the excess water and crumble it into the tomato sauce. Add a cup of hot water. Season with salt and cook over a low flame for about 10 minutes, stirring vigorously from time to time. Turn off the heat, add the basil leaves and some more extra virgin olive oil. Set aside for at least an hour, allowing the flavors to mix. Serve warm or at room temperature. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.